Hello, and welcome to another episode of Party Animals. Well, me playing Party Animals online with other people. Sorry if the game audio, if it's difficult to hear me talking because the game audio is loud. As soon as I opened the game, this popped up and I wanted to start recording from here because I didn't know if I could go back. So to choose either between cats or dogs. Obviously, the correct answer is cats, because cats are just better. Let's go. Oh, wait a minute. I think I selected the wrong... Wait, no, stop. Oh, whatever. This game must have gotten an update or something, because this I definitely didn't. It's very different from when I last played. I assume this is his last stand. I'm not even sure. No, this is my frying pan. Oh, sorry, teammate. Strip. Oh, that's right. A isn't the jump button. I forgot. Nice. Oh, new UI. That's cool. Or at least slightly different UI. Oh, you can get new powers? That's cool. Okay, good. My controller does work. No! Darn it. I need to remember the powers that I have. Shoot. No. Oh, you're bad. Okay. Welcome, teammate. Frick! Come on. Darn it, that was a very stupid mistake. Wait a minute, what? My teammate... Oh, you were dead. I thought you were just knocked out. Oh well. Gator Valley. The worst map. In my opinion. Sorry. Just walking all over here. Let's go. Oh, right. This is the worst map. Typhoon. Oh, what the... Hey, I'm trying to throw him off. Unless he's dead. And GG. Oh wait, I do have time to get a drink of water. Oh, of course I got nunchucks. And bye. Don't worry, I got him. Unless you do, but you don't. Obviously. Oh, wait a minute. You're not my teammate. Oh, hey. Racket. Stay back. Don't want to knock you out. Come on. Darn it. I was facing the opposite way. I didn't grab it correctly. got him. GG. I don't know why I tilt my head to the side when I cough, as if I'm leaning away, as if I'm moving my head away from my mic, since it's attached to my headphones. You got him, right? Okay, well, a free kill is a free kill. Come on, dog, get over here. Come on, grab me, grab me, grab me, grab me. Oh well. Guess it's gonna be 1v1. And there's your downfall. Yep. And you're dead. No. And you're dead. The dog is out of the way. And you're dead. GG. Oh, frick. Restart before the countdown ends. Frick. Dang, when did everybody else get so good? Thank you for knocking it out for me. Oh, I'm almost out of stamina. I got the cat. He's knocked out, you can throw him off. Nice. Ugh, the worst map. And you're dead. And you're dead. I always come back. Spinach. Got him. What'd I tell you? I'll go with camouflage. That sounds good. No, I don't want to pick up the boomerang. Oh, did you just die? Well, you're going off. Oh well. You're dead. GG. Oh, I actually just can't pick a power. Okay. Oh wait, I can. You can pick the same one twice? Oh, well. Whoops. Wanted to do super fist chance. Whoop! Oh, I'm out of stamina. Jeez, I almost ran off the map. And you're dead. And you're dead. Oh, for a second I thought I got knocked out. I was gonna be so upset.
No.
He's mine. My kill. Mine. No, that was my kill. Whatever. I'm invisible now. I'm out of stamina. You've got to be kidding me. No, 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 no. Come on, wake up, wake up. You knocked me out too late. I'm gonna wake up before you knock me off. Oh my god, that was... Please, come on, don't die, don't die. Oh, you're already dead. Huh. No, I wanted to grab the pan! Why would I want to grab the dead body? I'm right behind you. No. Know it. Oh, my stamina. Oh well.
No.
And you're dead. GG. Beat everyone. Nobody got a single point. Oh, come on, man. Wind tunnel. It's actually a pretty good map. Hey, stop. No, 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 no! Are you kidding me? How am I supposed to get content for my YouTube video if I get knocked out instantly? I hope that won't. GG. Ring of Garfat. Jeez, it's taking a very long time to load. And of course, as soon as I say that it's taking a long time to load, oh god, everything. Every last round, that's right. Oh shoot. Come on, get up. Get up! Dang it! Come on! Jeez, took long enough. And you're dead. Yeah. Wait, he's not dead? Oh shoot. Ha! My power was avenged. Whenever my teammate gets knocked out, I'm stronger. Ha! Yeah. No. Oh, I was gonna throw the bomb at him. It's gonna be really funny. I'll go with grip drain. Conveyor, nice. A decent map. It's taking a very long time to load, again. Other blue team player, watch out. No, I hate when I grab another player and then I trip over their unconscious body. It's just so annoying. heck? Carnivore? Knocking out enemies restores some stamina? Oh, nice. Come on, get up, get up, get up! Oh, jeez. Crazy cat, the shovel. What? Oh, no! Come on, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Yes! Didn't even knock him out, he just flew. Oh shoot. Come on, get up, get up, get up. Get out of the water. No! Oh my god, I got launched far. Come on, wake up, wake up, wake up. Ah, frick. Super revenge. Spinach. No, spinach. Finally. I'm your teammate, man. Whoa! Hey, 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 no, 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 please. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, good. No, 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 no. Oh, you're invisible. Who's my teammate? Oh, definitely not you. And you're dead. And you're dead as well. You're a teammate. And you were invisible. Oh, good job. You got him? Never mind, I'll get him. Or he'll run away. Got him. Get back here. Let's go. Victory. Number one, enjoy that. Just like that. Ow. Oh nice, 1,500 cookies.